In this lecture, our focus is on pipe insulation, that is, insulation of pipes carrying chilled water from a chiller to air handling units. In an earlier lecture, we have identified several commonly used insulating materials. In this lecture, we show how to decide on the thickness of insulation to be used. Suppose in a particular project, it is decided to use EPS or thermocol as the insulating material. In this project, the chilled water pipeline is 2 inches diameter and the water leaving the chiller is at 7 degrees centigrade. We now refer to table 612 of ISHRAE data book 2017. From the table, we get the recommended insulation thickness to be 1.968 inch rounded off to 2 inches. Suppose in the same project, it is decided to use PUF or polyurethane foam. As in the previous example, the chilled water pipeline is of 2 inches diameter and the water leaving the chiller is at 7 degrees centigrade. We now refer to table 614 of ISHRAE data book 2017. Assuming water temperature to be 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in the table, we arrive at the recommended insulation thickness of 1.18 inch rounded to say 32 millimeter thick PUF. Finally, suppose in the same project, it is decided to use closed cell nitrile rubber. In this case, we refer to table 615 of ISHRAE data book 2017. The recommended insulation thickness is around 32 millimeters. Finally, if we have selected closed cell nitrile rubber to insulate a chilled water tank, not a pipe as in the previous slide, we refer to table 616 of ISHRAE data book 2017 in order to know the recommended insulation thickness. Most of the popular insulating materials, if exposed to the ambient, absorb water vapor and lose their effectiveness. Therefore, it is imperative that they be protected with vapor barrier material. A few suggested finishes are listed on this slide. Shown on this slide and the next two slides are some fully finished pipe sections, that is with insulation as well as vapor barrier. This brings us to the end of our study of pipe insulation. The next lecture is focused on acoustic insulation. Thanks for watching.